today's exercise video, we're going to do a full body mini band workout. I'm going to be using the Hope Fitness Gear Minibands as well as a pair of dumbbells. So grab your weights, grab your bands, and let's get started.
Let's kick off this routine with overhead pull downs. I'm using the light mini band, and I'm going to pull down the band towards the chest and then back up. Ready, set, and begin. Remember to keep the abs tight and pull that band down while squeezing the shoulder blades on the low end of the movement. Fully extend those arms all the way up to the ceiling, keeping those fingers nice and long. Good. Exhale on the pull down. Inhale when those arms come up. You got this. You're almost done. Great job. Finishing in 3, 2, 1, and done. Very good. For this next movement, I'm going to stick with the light band and do alternating side squats with a little chest press with the arms extended in front. Okay, get yourself ready. Have the band around the wrists and begin. So side to side squats. Pull that band, keeping the arms nice and long. Remember to sink back in the heels on the squats and make sure the knees do not pass the toes. Keep the chest lifted, the abs tight, and the back straight. Now the arms are straight with a soft elbow, and you're pulling against that resistance. You got this, you're almost there. Stay strong and keep the great form. Keep going, finishing strong in 3, 2, 1, and done. For this next exercise, I'm going to switch to the red heavy band. Place it around the ankles and smooth it out. We're going to be doing side steps, keeping a soft bend in the knees and moving side to side. Okay, ready? Let's begin. So the bigger the step, the harder it is. Keep a soft bend in the knees, the core engaged, while you're moving side to side. Good, keep that chest lifted and make sure the heels touch the ground with every step. The heart rate's definitely going to come up on this one, so remember to breathe. You're doing great. Finishing nice and strong. You're almost there. 3, 2, 1, and stop. Good job. Okay, sticking with that red heavy band, we're going to do standing glute lifts. So keeping the band around the ankles, we're going to kick one leg all the way back as high as you can, squeezing the glutes and lower. Ready, set, and start. So your base leg, make sure the knee stays soft, and with the other leg, the knee is soft as well, and you're driving through the heel up towards the sky or ceiling, squeezing the glutes on top. Make sure to stand up nice and tall, abs are tight, and the hips are tucked under. Good. Exhale on the lift, inhale, lower down. Keep it going strong. You got this. Almost there. 3, 2, 1, and stop. Okay, let's switch over to the other side. Same thing. Making sure that base knee is soft, nice and tall, tuck that pelvis under and abs tight. Ready, set, and let's start. Lift that leg up and down. Remember, you're driving through the heel, pulling against that band. Try not to let your upper body tip forward. Keep it nice and tall. You're doing so great. Almost done. Good, we're finishing strong. Last few. 3, 2, 1, and stop. For this first exercise, I'm using the light band and also grabbing a pair of dumbbells. The band is going around the wrists and one dumbbell is in each hand. We're going to do overhead pull downs. Ready, set, and begin. So with this one, the feet are shoulder width apart with a soft bend in the knees. The core is engaged, supporting the lower back. Pull the weights down and up while pushing against the band. Squeeze the shoulder blades together on the low ends, and then fully extend those arms overhead. Exhale on the pull, inhale when the arms come up. Good, keep it going nice and strong. You're almost done. Finish this strong in 3, 2, 1, and done. For this next exercise, let's keep the band around the wrists, grabbing the weights, and do bicep curls. Same stance with the legs that we did before. Okay, get ready, set, and let's begin. Curl up and lower. Think about keeping that band nice and tight Shoulders pulled back, elbows are tight to the sides. Wrists are curled in with those biceps. You should feel some extra resistance in the shoulders and the arms with this movement. Good, keep it going strong all the way through, nice full range of motion. Keep it going, you're almost there. Finish strong in 3, 2, 1, and you're done. Let's work triceps. Place the weights down and hang on to that light yellow band. Now, with the staggered stance, we're going to hold the band up to the shoulder and the other arm is going to extend. Ready, set, and begin. Exhale, extend that arm down with the thumb looped between the band. Keep the core engaged to support the back. The other hand is your anchor and it's holding the band down against your shoulder. Keep that elbow nice and tight to the side. You're almost done with that first side. Keep it up. Last 3, 2, 1, and done. Great job. Okay, let's flip over to the other side. Switch your stance, and you'll have the one hand against the shoulder as your anchor, holding the band, and the other arm will extend. Okay, let's begin in 3, 2, 1, and start. Again, you're hooking that band through the thumb and pressing down towards the ground and squeezing back up. Keep that elbow tight to the side, core engaged, supporting the lower back and standing nice and tall. Exhale when you extend that arm. Inhale when the arm comes up. Come on, you've got this. We're almost done. Last 3, 2, 1, and done. Great job. Switching gears back to lower body, I'm going to switch the band out and grab the red heavy band, placing it just above the knees on the lower thigh area. We're going to do alternating lateral lunges, stepping the outside foot out and leaning towards it. Let's start. Side to side, making sure that heel touches the ground, shift the weight towards the outside of the leg, and then press through the heel back to standing position. Keep the chest up, abs tight, and the back straight. Notice that the inside leg is elongating. Keep it going. Come on, last few seconds in 3, 2, 1, and stop. Sticking with the legs, I'm going to adjust the band so it's on the ankles. We're going to do a 3-pulse squat into a power jump. Okay, get ready for it, and begin. So squat down, pulse with 3, 2, 1, jump up to standing, and repeat again. Really engage the core tight on this one. Watch your balance and stability, and press against that band. Like always, make sure the heels touch the ground and your hips are pressed back. If you need to do a low version for this, you can do side-to-side squats with no jump. Fantastic work. Keep going, keep going. 3, 2, 1, and done. Let's work some abs. Grab that yellow band and loop one end around the foot and the other around the ankle. You're going to lift that one knee all the way up towards the shoulder and work the obliques. Okay, ready, set, and go. So I'm driving my right knee all the way up towards that shoulder and adding a small twist with the upper body. The base leg, the left leg, is stabilized with the soft bend in the knee. Good, watch your balance because this one will definitely throw you off if you don't focus. You got it, almost there. You should be feeling this on your sides right now. Last few in 3, 2, 1, and done. Okay, go ahead and readjust the band and let's get the other side. Place the band under the foot of the other side and the ankle of the side that you just worked. Okay, you ready? Tighten up those abs, back straight, and let's start. Drive the knee up and down. You might take the first couple reps to get used to the balance, but I know you've got this. Remember, add that small twist with the upper body and really crunch those obliques. Exhale when that knee comes up, inhale when it drops down. You're so close to the end. Finish strong. Last 3, 2, 1, and done. One more ab exercise. Place that yellow band around the ankles and assume a high plank position. All we're going to do is some plank jacks. Okay, so engage the core, protect the back, and let's go ahead and begin. Jumping those feet out and in, making sure the wrists are directly stacked on your elbows and shoulders. Breathe. A lower version for this is going to be alternating side taps in a high plank position. Choose the version that's best for you. Keep it going, you're almost done. Stay nice and light on those toes. This is it in 3, 2, 1, and you're all done.
You did such a great job today. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also check out my Instagram at Allyfitatl. See you next time.